We are officially 3 weeks out from the Legion Sports Fest in Reno. I'm competing in my very first ever bodybuilding show as a true novice in the wellness division, and it's been intense. In my last vlog I shared about the secret that I've been keeping, which is preparing for this show, and it means so much to me. And I encouraged everyone to ask some questions that you might have, and the most asked one has been what I eat in a day, how many calories I'm taking in, and the macros. So today I'm taking you through a normal day in my life. So on the higher carb days, we are fueling the muscles and keeping the metabolism firing. I actually start the day by drinking a full liter of water. I aim for 5 liters of water, and I started immediately after getting up, after doing my weigh-in and taking my progress pictures. After that, we are continuing the day with protein coffee, which is one of my favorite things, or if not even the favorite thing of my day. I prepare it by having water in the bottom of my cup, adding the amount of protein I need for my breakfast in it, and then I mix it all together. Then I go grab 2 double shots of espresso, and then that is pretty much our breakfast. For lunch, I prepared some spinach and cooked chicken breast. So often you will add spinach or some very low calorie items to increase the volume of your food so that you're hopefully less hungry, which is why I added a handful of spinach to my meal prep. And then I topped it off with no-calorie mustard, which is actually quite a good combination. And then I also had about a cup of watermelon. I did pack more because I shared some with my team. For my pre-workout snack, I had half of the macadamia cookie by Lenny and Larry. It is pretty high in carbs, but I do focus on having the most carbs before my workout and then some after to make sure my body has the energy to push through the workout and give it my all. Combined with that cookie, I had another protein shake. After my workout, I had the other half of that cookie because it's delicious and I truly love it, which made up pretty much the rest of my carbs for that day. For dinner, I had what we call cat food, just literally 2 cans of tuna with some more mustard. I also added in a cucumber because it doesn't really have any calories, but it does again increase the volume of my food. So very glorious, I know. I did save up some calories to enjoy a little yogurt bar by Clio. I've never had them before, but I purchased them recently just to give it a try. I chose the strawberry banana flavor and I had 1 bar of that. After that, I completed my diary and I finished the day about 1,427 calories with about 100 grams of carbs, about 30 grams of fats, and then about 200 grams of protein. And that is a wrap on my regular / slightly higher carb day. It's a lot of discipline, especially hitting your 5 liter water goal besides everything else. But every meal is one step closer to being on stage in Reno. This journey as a true novice has been such a learning curve, but seeing my body change and losing more than 8 kilos and decreasing my body fat in half has been so worth it and been such a cool journey to experience. I am planning on doing a Q&A for my next vlog, which will be 2 weeks out from Reno, so make sure to follow so you don't miss anything. If you are competing at the Legion Sports Fest in Reno, or if you're just starting your own fitness journey, please leave a comment below so we can connect. Excited to hear from you and excited to see you in the next video.